Hello, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. Tutorial is going to be a lot of fun today and I'll be using only one eyeshadow palette to make colorful eyeshadow look, and it's the Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Color palette. I have swatches and review of this palette too. I'll link that down below if you guys are interested. And because I know there will be fallout from this palette, so I'm taking more of this translucent powder and adding it to the under eye to catch the fallout. Well, not translucent powder, loose powder. This is the Fit Me one. I'm using this shade here and I'm placing this onto the lid with a flat concealer brush. I'm placing this on with a flat brush rather than a fluffy blending brush because I want this to be super pigmented and opaque, and I'll let it go in with a blending brush too and diffuse the edges. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow here and this shade from the same palette, and I'm packing this onto the inner third of my eyelid. I'll also point out that I highly recommend using an eyeshadow primer which will help in preventing the shadows looking patchy. Okay, lastly, I'm dipping into this shade here, placing this in the very inner corner of my eyes, and now we're starting to see the color story come together, right? We are seeing that color gradient happening from the bright yellow to green and the inner corner diffusing out into that teal blue out of this, outer corner. Then heading back to that blending brush, I'm just diffusing the edges before heading back to those same three eyeshadow and to place them on my lower lash line, exact same way. Okay, so now that we have all of this fallout, I'm taking a large fluffy brush and wiping this right off. And as you guys can see, the loose powder, we let it sit there, really save the day and prevent the under eye from becoming totally ruined by this eyeshadow fallout. To further emphasize this outer corner of my eye, I'm running some bronzer right through the outer temple. And see how my hand is placed. This just helps control the placement of the bronzer. I want to keep that line we had created earlier with the concealer and powder to remain defined. I want that to be very defined straight line. Alright, so this is the final look. It was a very easy one. It did not take me more than 10 minutes to actually do it. I hope you guys create it out at home. If you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or wherever you want to do that. Do let me know. I'll be happy to share that. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.